This video will be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you're an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we are asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? Here we have leg and footwear and headwares, rather. You can see here 43 billion. 43 billion. And predominantly dominated by leather footwear. Now, so for those into footwears, either it's made of textile clothing or it's made of leather, US has a very big market. About 57% of footwear import in the US, about 57% of the 43 billion footwear import in US is leather and textile footwear. Then we have rubber footwear, 18.3%. Artificial vegetation, 5.41%. Artificial vegetations, artificial plants. Fake air extension, they call it fake airs, not the real air. Fake airs, 4.68%. Neat art, 6.03%. Other headwear, 2.07%. Footwear part, 0.93%. Umbrella, US import umbrella, and about 1.58% is umbrella. Another footwear, 1.57%.